It's early morning. We've got a big job on today. We've got this Bosch Demolition hammer. It's not feeling very well right now. Somebody's attempted a little repair, which was successful. And although it's a bit unorthodox, it's not a bad field repair. It's not a bad field medic attempt. We'll give him an A for effort. Because, let's face it, it does work. And it's better than a lot of desperate attempts to repair something with this that we see in here. So with the patient in the operating table, we can see we plugged it in, the light is on. There's some power fluctuation problem, which could be coming from the brushes or the lead. So we've got to just switch it on. So early doctor's diagnosis would tell me it's likely the lead as the primary problem, and possibly it might need brushes when we're on there. So we've got to do a wee bit of investigative surgery to see what's going on with this patient. First thing we had to do is unplug the patient, because I'm used to working a lot of cordless stuff and sometimes it slips my mind, especially when we're making videos and things like this. We're going to check the brushes, and we're just going to use a hexagon 5mm hexagon and screw that out like that, and remove the lid like that. Getting up close and personal here, we can see that the brushes are all but gone here. Try and get them out here just till you see. I'm surprised it's still going at all. It's just enough. It's just enough to keep her going, but she's just about to stop. A little bit more wear, she was going to stop herself. So we need brushes. That's number one. This wasn't causing the issue, but we wouldn't be doing proper surgery if we fixed the lead and sent it out like that. It just would be no good. To give you an idea of how much wear, this is the new one compared to the old one, and this was about to stop her from working. Brushes in these ones are sided. This has got one wire and this has got two wires. We're on the side with the two wires, so we're going to remove this wee wire. That's the wire with a wee sensor on it to stop her, you know. A very useful thing. If you have one of these that stops dead and won't go, check the brushes first for sure. There we are. You see what happened there? If you're working at these and you accidentally pull that wire off, your machine will not go with that wire off. So you gotta make sure that you don't accidentally disconnect something. This is the simplest job you'll ever do. To a bit of machinery. I have actually seen those getting loose and having to solder those on, but you can do that also. Or if you haven't got a solder there, you can give them a little squeeze to keep them on, but they're not going anywhere. Now we're going to rotate the patient and do the same on the other side. If you remember, there's only one wire on this side. That's the first part of the surgery completed. So we're going to have to commence with the second part of the surgery. This is the one that's going to save the patient. That first one is just a bit of maintenance. Although we did appreciate the attempt to repair this, we're going to replace the whole power cable now. Right, the new cable successfully fitted. Patient's closed up. So we've got to go to the other end and fit a plug. Pay attention, this is the most crucial part of the procedure. So here we are. I use these perma plugs. I can put a link in the description, and I can put you a link for this little thing if you like this. Also, I think these are the best plugs you can get. There's another wee thing I want to show you about these. It shows you on each one of these plugs. These are in all UK plugs. There's a little card on every one of them, not just these perma plugs, and it shows you what length to cut the cable. There's three wires, usually a brown, a blue, and an earth, which is a green and yellow, but this has only got two, but it'll show me what length to cut the cables. It'll show me the overall length and then show me how much wire to expose at the end. Relax, that's the science bit over. There we are, a little bit of that, and we'll need to cut that a different length. This has to be a little bit shorter. So did the patient successfully make it through surgery? So we'll plug this in now and see what we got. I'm calling that fixed. So that's another patient discharged with a clean bill of health. So if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and check out my channel for all my other videos.